What's up, guys? Thanks for coming and check out my new hoopty I just got. And the best thing is, I got this golf cart for free. So this is like an 88, 90s, 88, 89, 91 or something like that. Club Card DS. Pump the brakes. YouTube says that 90% of you guys that are watching this video are not subscribed. So if you love videos of getting old machines running again, whether it's four-wheelers, dirt bikes, this video is a golf cart. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next hoopty. It's 36 volts. It is a resistor style cart, which means it does not have a controller, which is, I think, good for simplicity. I don't know too much about these. I do know that my last golf cart, I put new batteries in it, and then the motor went bad. So then I swapped a 250EX engine into it. That's besides the point. So I got this thing for free. I had to drive like 30 minutes. And it's pretty much complete. It's a little rusty here and there. He even gave me the charger with it. I went over it, and there was a handful of wires that were just completely in the wrong place. And I'm going to spare you the time of even me telling you what it was. Basically, I looked at this wiring diagram. I'll put it up here on the screen now. And as long as it's pretty simple. As long as you can follow this wiring diagram and just copy what it shows you there, it should work. Now, I'm not 100% sure if everything here is going to work because all these batteries are dead. I did test the motor, and what you do is you connect this one and that top one together, and then you put 12 volts on the two in the middle, and the motor spun. So I know the motor's good. Here's what I got. I got new cables. I don't know. This is what Amazon said was gonna fit. I got a couple. Hopefully they'll work. I got a new key switch, a new solenoid, some shocks, and I got a spring inside because when I unloaded it, this spring here just said, "See you later, alligator." And now this whole wheel is stuck up in there. So I'm not sure if it's the shock that is seized or if it's that A-arm, but this whole entire fiberglass cowl, I don't really want to take it off, so it's gonna be kind of hard to show you what's going on in there. Nonetheless, I bought a new key switch, solenoid, and batteries. I have batteries in the truck, so let's go ahead and swap the key switch out. So this should just be pretty simple here. Okay, so it looks like all we gotta do is this right here. Come on. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to drill this baby out a little bit here. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So since I had to drill this out, that little flat spot's there, not in there anymore, but there is this little tang right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little notch here at the top. Okay, there you go. Now all I gotta do is hook these two wires up, and that's that. Okay, let's double check. Turn the key on. Okay. Everything works. Let's start on the front end. Okay, let's see why this thing is not cooperating. So, it could be this right here, the A-arm is not allowing it to go up and down, or it could be the shock is seized. Maybe this will tell us if our shock is the culprit here, but I don't think it's gonna come off because of the body's in the way. Maybe, let's see. Oh, oh. I saw that top control arm move down, which means it was the shock, which is kind of what I suspected. Okay, so yeah, the shock has just completely collapsed, and I got new ones. Okay, here's our fresh brand new one. This one moves, so that's a good sign. We better put a little grease in there, or else my luck, they will squeak. Okay, there's that. Now, I really should put the other shock on right now, but you already saw me put that shock on. So the next thing is the leaf spring. This bolt needs to come out. Same with the other side. And then we got some four bolts right there that got to come out. So anyways, I'll do that. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to film. So okay, this is where we're at. These bolts don't want to come out, and I don't like it. I put some TB blaster on them, but they're still not cooperating. Let's see. All right, here's our new spring. It came with types of bushings here. I don't know what the difference is, or if there is a difference, but we're gonna time lapse. Okay, I don't know how much you were able to see in the clips I got, but we got this baby all hooked up. I haven't cleaned up my mess yet. My daughter went to go get a towel so we can put that on the seat and take it for its first spin. The seat's not on there all the way, it's just sitting on top, so it should be, you know, I still got to wire back the lights back up and everything, and the brakes work, but they stick a little bit, so we got plenty of work to do on it. Maybe I sell it as a project, I don't know. Maybe I trade it. All right, we're about to go for the maiden voyage, Char. Ready? Here we go. Should we go get Mommy? Did you ask her?
No, who's doing her test right now?
Okay. Look at this. Cool. Right, ready?
Ooh, this is really fast.
Look how fast we're going. Heck yeah.
I want to go. This is fun.
You know, we can even put that up.
Make sure them spider get this, right?
Right.
I said, oh, right. Why are they making this? It's just a dog.
What do you think, Char? Pretty good for free?
Huh? But actually no, because it's gonna be $100.
Well, Daddy put $600 in batteries in it. Probably another $200 in parts.
Ooh.
So $800.
But are you selling it?
I don't know.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. You ready? Let's go fast.
I'm holding it.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, not. I thought we were just going to sit on it.
Oh, it's a little spin.
I'm going to go tell Mom.
Go tell her. Go see if she wants to take a ride.
Because we're just starting the test.
What do you think? You think the reverse is going to work?
I don't know.
Well, ready?
This.
Reverse. Look at that. We got us a free golf cart.
Go get Mommy now.
Oh my gosh. We got a little bit of it. Got a little bit of torque decibels to it. All right, thanks for making it this far in the video. I almost didn't post this because mostly I focus on four-wheelers and dirt bikes on the channel here. But I figured this is free and I went ahead and recorded everything. So if you like watching the videos of anything with a motor and wheels and it doesn't have to be dirt bike or four-wheeler, make sure you comment down below and let me know what other vehicles you want to see. All right, here's how our golf cart ended up. Not bad for free. We just put new batteries in it and new cables. And I put a new solenoid on it. That's about it. I did put a new front spring on and front shock. I really should put the other shocks on. You can see the one shock is right there on the floor. But this thing was so rusty. And every time I hit it with impact, there's just dirt flying everywhere. Which is no big deal. But I'm all about just making things work here. So we did the new spring, shock, new batteries, a solenoid, kind of figured out the wires, put a new key switch in. If you're new here, I usually don't do golf cart stuff. I usually do dirt bikes, four-wheelers, and, rough ones like this. But if you like seeing, the different type of vehicles, that are a little bit out of my wheelhouse, let me know down below. I'd be willing to pick other stuff up, branch out a little bit. So probably won't do another video on this one unless you guys comment down below and let me know that you want me to see me do more. I could definitely fix this seat, new leather or new upholstery rather. Get the lights working, tidy up the back brakes, and Really, I need to reinforce the battery trays or redo the battery trays in this. But I just wanted to get it running, riding, and we've cruised it around the block a few times. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more dirt bikes, four-wheelers, maybe golf carts. And appreciate you watching.